Welcome to Creative Lesson. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drop shadow of a photo, and the shadow will be the same as photo. So let's get started. First of all, go to your file, then open with Photoshop. This is a PNG file, so it has no in the background. So I'm going to give you a background. Just take the layer from lower to upper. Okay. Background has been created. Now double click of the photo layer. Now check the drop shadow. Now you can see a shadow has been created behind the photo. You just increase the distance and nothing. We just created the shadow. Now here is a problem. Shadow and the image both are moving. If you want to customize or modify the shadow, then you need to separate the shadow from the image. In that case, just go to layer option, layer style, and click on create layer. Press OK. Okay. Now see, shadow and the image both are separate. Now click on shadow. If you want to resize or any other modify, then click Ctrl+T. Now you can resize or move the position of the shadow. After modification, just click OK. Everything is done. Now just export. Export as JPG. This will give you a better result. Okay. Let's see what we got. What is the image? This is our final result. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.